Dancing is a great full body workout that not only tones and strengthens, but also increases stamina and flexibility. I'm here with Louis Van Amstel from Dancing with the Stars, who's going to show us a 10-minute Le Blast workout that's all dance.
And it's a workout in disguise, so let's dance. Guys, are you ready to dance? Let's start right now. We're gonna do a Le Blast, but before we're gonna start, I just wanna tell you guys that there is 5 levels for the experienced dancer, but especially for people that wanna dance but feel uncoordinated or think they can't dance. If you can let go, get out of your head, anyone can dance, and therefore you can get into the best shape of your lives. Girls, are you ready? We're gonna start with some cha-cha-cha. So, I believe if you can clap the rhythm, there's no excuse, so clap the rhythm of the cha-cha with me. We do 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. And move your body along to the rhythm. Cha-cha-cha. So you get used to that rhythm, and cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. And to make it easy, girls, then cha-cha-cha. We're gonna do everything the whole time, cha-cha-cha, to this rhythm, and we're not gonna change it. 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. Good. Everything we do, we're gonna do 4 times. We're gonna start with the right foot, and each move we're gonna do 4 times. So we start right foot. 1, 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. Now we're gonna go to cha-cha-cha. To the right and cha-cha-cha. To the left and cha-cha-cha. To the right and one more time. Then we're gonna do it on the spot. Cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. Yes, you're allowed to use those hips. Cha-cha. As long as you keep the rhythm. Cha-cha-cha. One more time, and then we twist. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Yes, that is for the waistline. Cha-cha.
Love it.
2, 3, and cha-cha-cha. 2, and we go back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and to the left. 2, 3, and let's go a little faster. And cha-cha-cha. We're gonna go to the right and cha-cha-cha. To the right and cha-cha-cha. But this is a full body workout, so we're gonna do this 4 more times. Stretch your arms forward and back. Stretch those arms and cha-cha-cha. Stretch those arms and cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Now we do it on the spot and cha-cha-cha. Get those hips in there, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha.
Have fun with
2,
it.
3, yeah, have
It's
fun
okay
with
to
it.
make
Come on.
mistakes.
And then we
It's
twist.
okay.
1, 2, 3, twist, twist, twist. 2, 3, twist, twist, twist. 2, 3, twist, twist, twist. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Good job. Now that's the cha-cha-cha. We're going to salsa. Now, if you can clap that rhythm,
Okay.
if you guys can clap it, you can do it. The rhythm is 1 and 2. A 1 and 2. Let your body move to the music. A 1 and 2. In this case, our music is our clapping. Clap, and then everything we do 4 times. So again, left foot starts, but we do 1 and 2. A 1 and 2. Everything we do 4 times. Now we twist. Twist that body and twist, 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 a twist, twist. Now we're gonna go forward and back. Left foot forward, right foot back. Keep that rhythm. 1 and 2. Now we do it to the side and 1 and 2. A 1 and 2. And then we go back to the beginning. Left foot on the spot. 1 and 2. You can relax. You gotta get out of your head and into your hips. A twist, twist, twist. A twist, twist, twist. 4 times, then we go forward. Left foot forward, and 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6. Now we do it to the side, and 1 and 2, a 1 and 2, a 1 and 2, and back to the beginning, and 1 and 2. Get more into it. The more you relax, the more you can move. And we twist. Really get in there.
Starting to feel my heart rate a little bit.
Yes, work the heart rate, get the core going, then left foot forward. Yes, the more you get involved, the more you burn those calories. Yes, dance is tough. You gotta dance your heart out.
Yeah.
Literally 5 and 6, and back to the beginning. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then we twist. A 1 and 2, really get involved and twist that body. Left foot forward, and 1 and 2, a 3 and 4, a 5 and 6, and up. The more you do it, the better you get at it. Repetition, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. We did cha-cha.
Nice.
We did salsa. Now we're gonna do some jive. So, the more you relax, the more you can swing. And that's what the fun of dancing is. Every dance is different. So, we're gonna swing that thing. Left foot forward, left foot forward, left foot back. We change our feet with a triple step. Ladies, you gotta swing that body. Swing forward and back. Then triple triple step to change your feet and even use your arms. And 5, 6. We do this 4 times. Last one. Then we do triple step to the side. There we go. And triple step is 1, 2, 3. You don't have to think. You have to just relax and watch and listen. Then we do rock step, triple step, rock step, and a triple step, and rock step, and triple step, and left foot back, and triple step, then right foot back. And now we twist, and twist, 2, 3, 4, a different way. The chubby checker twist. Yeah, late 50s, early 60s.
Thighs, girls.
TV shows were made after this one. Yeah, twist, 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 back to the beginning. Now we go left foot forward, left foot back. Change your feet with a triple step. Right foot forward, right foot back. Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Are you
smiling?
good? Now are you out of your head?
That's what's so great about dancing. You kind of just
Triple
forget
step.
and you can still
Left
work
foot
out.
forward. Yep.
See, and I even forgot the steps.
Triple
There you
step.
go.
Actually, you're doing a triple step, triple step. Then we do rock step, triple step, and rock step, and triple step. And if you want to make it more intense, you bring your arms out. Hop, hop, triple step, and then we twist. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think we should do one more round. Back to the beginning. Left foot forward and back, and change your feet with a triple step. This one is the jive, so you gotta really swing that body and swing that body. Triple step, change your feet, other side. Right foot forward, right foot back, triple step to the side. And triple step, relax that body. Oh, you gotta breathe. With every workout, don't forget to breathe. Then we do rock step and triple step, rock step, and 1, 2, 3, rock step, triple step, rock step. I'm trying to confuse you, but
You are.
you're doing good. Twist,
It's my
twist,
favorite.
and 5, and 6,
It's like a moving
and
squat.
5, 6, 7, 8. Good job.
Yeah,
That's a little
I'm
jive.
feeling the sweat. I'm getting a little glow.
Nice. Well, then take a deep breath. Because what we did in cha-cha and salsa and jive, we had a little bit of twist. Now we're gonna do all the twists from the 3 dances.
Okay.
And we're gonna do just twist for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is all about
All
this,
about the
all about
midline.
that waistline. And these love handles. So what you do, ladies, twist, twist, open your legs, and 5 and 6, and then you close your legs and twist, use those ankles, turn those hips, and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, then open your legs, and 2 and 8 counts, open your legs, then 8 counts, we close our legs, and a twist, and 2, and use those ankles, but you gotta breathe, otherwise you're gonna die, and twist, and 2, or you'll get a stitch. You wanna make sure you breathe, and have water ready. There we go. No, not vodka, it's the same color, but it wants to be water. And 5 and 6, and open your legs, and 1 and 2 and 3,
Oh, God,
4,
no.
5, 6, and close your legs. Hop, twist. Use those ankles, turn those hips. Hop, hop. Use your abs. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Z.
Use your arms.
Z, Z, Z.
Momentum.
Didn't you do? Didn't you give birth?
I did give birth.
Okay, there we go. More, just for Z. She just gave birth. Can you believe
Anyone
it?
use those obliques, girls?
Ha. Use them. 5, 6. 1 more minute, but we keep going. Hop.
No way.
2. Yes, you
Halfway
are.
through, we can do
yes,
it.
you are.
You can do
Talk,
it.
talk, talk. I don't hear
Sweat
anything.
through it.
Hop. Last one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
It's like a
2.
dancing treadmill.
Yes.
Yes, there you
Exactly.
go. Hop. But with dance, you don't feel it because you don't see the music. Up, let's get that heart rate up. Arms up. Arms. I lied. One more round. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Talking about arms, I think we need to do some merengue. Hop. So we work on the upper body. Shake it out.
Shake it,
out.
shake it, shake it.
Take a deep breath and get your weights. Weights.
Hey.
We're gonna do merengue for that one. Wiggly hips. You just mentioned we're in Cuba. You're a waitress. A lot of cocktails on your plate. The only way to flirt is with those hips.
Healthy cocktails.
Yeah? Healthy
just had to
cocktails.
throw that in.
1, 2. Are you ready? We're gonna do some shoulders. 5, 6. We're gonna move to the right. And 1, 2, 3. Now to the left. And 1, 2, 3. And again. 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1. This is not aerobics. This is merengue. And again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna turn to the right on the spot. And 1, 2. Both arms. 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now biceps. And 1, 2. Back to the beginning. 4 to the right. And 4 to the left. We're going to turn. I feel we need to turn to the left or to the right. 3, 4. Now I'm confusing myself. That's what you get when you think. 5, 6. We're going to go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we need to do some front deltoids. Stretch those arms. And 1. And get into those hips. Maybe even go through your legs to your little quad.
Oh, there
workout.
we go. Yeah.
Give me those hips.
The lower you go, the harder it is.
Yeah, let's see how low you can go, huh?
Hey, don't tempt me.
Yeah. 6, 7, now turn both arms. Turn. 2. Keep them up. 4, 5, 6, 7 to the left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And there is your 10-minute workout. Awesome job, guys. High five.
So much fun.
High five. Thank you. Awesome job. Dance is for anyone. Everyone should be able to dance. And you can get into the best shape of your life.
That was an awesome workout and so much fun. Thanks, Louie.
Thank you for having me, and it's so much fun to be able to offer people a workout, and in 10 minutes you can burn a lot of calories. You don't need an hour, you can do 10 minutes a day, and if you like the LeBlast DVD series is available on Amazon.com, so get all dancing and burn calories.
Awesome. See you next time on Fit Sugar TV.